channel. We've got a really quick tutorial now. This Vostok dive watch gave me fits when I tried to change the date. But I went to YouTube, found another channel that told me what to do, and I still have my hair. But it's crazy, guys. Here's what's up. So if you'll see here, we're on the 15th. So we're going to unscrew the crown. The crown out. It only has one pull-out position. So there are not two positions. There's not a date position on this crown. How you change the date is weird, and if you've got to change a lot of days, I pity you because it's not fun. Alright, we're going to go forward with our hours and minutes until right when we tick over. You see it tick over to 16th. Okay, now to get to the 17th, we don't have to go all the way around, thankfully. What we're going to do is we're going to go back about 3 hours or so, and you'll feel / see that 16 jump a little bit. Watch very carefully. Second hand, get out of the way. Oh. Get out of the way, second hand. Here we go. There it went. Now, when I go forward, I should click on over to 7th. Boom. Let's do it again. Today is November 18th. And go back. There's that little tick. 18th. So, crazy, right? That's the way they do it. And now you know. Thanks a lot. See y'all next time.